Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and in today's video I'm going to go over the different LinkedIn ads campaign objectives as well as the ad formats that are available under those different objectives. So let's dive into it. So I'll put this sheet I put together so you can easily see the different campaign objectives and the available ad formats, and I'll put that in the description below, as well as I'll put this LinkedIn resource that has the different campaign objectives and their definitions in the description below. And finally, I did make another video. It's 6 minutes long and it gives actual visual examples of all the different ad formats in LinkedIn. So if you want to see visual examples of the different ad formats, you can watch that video and get some inspiration there. So to go back to the sheet that I put together, LinkedIn groups their campaign objectives under 3 different main business goals. So there's the awareness business goal, consideration, and conversion. And I'll pull this up in the campaign manager so you can see it says awareness, consideration, and conversion. And then there's different campaign objectives under each of these different groupings, these different business goals. And within these different campaign objectives, they're all optimizing for something a little bit different. So for brand awareness, that's going to be impression based, and you're optimizing to get more impressions and reach out of your audience. And under the consideration, you're mainly trying to drive users to take some sort of action. So under consideration, we have website visits, so driving users to a landing page, engagement, so getting users to like or comment or engage with your posts, your ads. And then we have video views. The objective there is to get more people to watch your videos. And then there's messaging, and then we have the conversion side, which is more bottom of the funnel, trying to drive users to download some type of content or try to convert. Now, so lead generation, that has the lead gen format under that. And I typically don't use the website conversions objective. I still rely on the website visits objective to drive users to a landing page. And then we have a landing page that might be optimized for conversion. So maybe it's to download an asset or to book a demo. So I do use the website visits objective a lot. The main objectives I typically use are going to be video views. So for running video campaigns, I like to use the video view objective. I like to use the website visits objective to drive people to our website, to the landing page. And then I like to use the lead generation objective if we're going to run lead gen forms. Those are the 3 main objectives I typically use, but it all depends on the overall strategy and what you're trying to achieve. So you might run some brand awareness campaigns or might run some other messaging campaigns and choose some different objectives, but website visits, video views, and lead generation are typically what I use. So to go into the objectives a little more and the ad formats that are available, so under brand awareness, these are all the different ad formats that are available, and then we have all the other objectives, and I just put an X for all the ad formats that you can use within that specific objective because it does differ across the different objectives. So I did make a note on thought leader ads because you create a thought leader ad actually through the single image or video objective. But if you're running thought leader ads, it does have to be under the brand awareness campaign objective or the engagement objective. So you'll create, say, a brand awareness campaign, and then you can create a single image ad, and then you can go in and pick a post and actually create a thought leader ad. So just a note on that. And also for lead gen forms, I included it here as its own ad format, but really you can select a lead gen form you can use a lead gen form under any of the ad formats that are under the lead generation campaign objective. So if you have a carousel, you can still connect that with a lead gen form. So I just wanted to make a couple of call outs there. So I would say the most common objective that's used within LinkedIn ads is the website visits objective, trying to get users to engage or visit your website. So the most common format there is the single image format. There's also, you can use videos. You can use the video view objective and run videos. If you're running an engagement campaign, you're trying to get more social interaction. So get users to, interact with your ad, react to it, thumbs up, love it, or increase your followers to your company page. So there's a few different objectives, but you're really just trying to get that social engagement using that campaign objective. And then the lead generation objective, that's a quite common one, if you have gated assets that you want to promote, say an ebook or a guide of some sort, you can do that, a white paper. You can also use it to just collect leads for, requesting a demo, a free consultation, any kind of offer you want to put out there, you can use for the lead generation ad format and put a lead gen form there. So I just wanted to quickly go over the objectives here and give a visual so you could see the different ad formats that are available under those objectives. If you have any specific questions on any of the ad formats or objectives, please put them in the comment section. I'm going to create videos in the future about each of these different objectives and creating each of these different types of ad formats. But this video was just here to kind of give a broad overview of everything. So let me know if you have any questions on that, and thanks for watching and have a great day.